We're getting into breaking news right now. Union Minister Prakash Javadekar has tweeted, and I quote, 2,894 tons liquid medical oxygen dispatched to different states on 24th of April by steel plants in public and private sectors as against 1,500 to 1,700 tons per day a week earlier. This certainly comes across as some amount of relief for various states. Remember, almost over 20 states had essentially sought for more oxygen supply. We're now given to understand that at least of the 22 states that had sought for oxygen supply, at least almost 18 states have received exactly how much they had sought for. Only 3 states have either got less or almost equal to what they had sought for. Let me try and go across to my colleague Madhurima for the latest. Madhurima, this certainly comes across as some sort of a relief, as augmenting the supply of liquid oxygen becomes extremely crucial with the growing number of demand from almost every state.
Absolutely. Looking at the dearth of oxygen that is staring the face of almost every state, and from where I'm reporting the national capital specifically. Now, Mr. Prakash Javadekar has come forward and said that 2,894 tons of liquid medical oxygen has been dispatched to different states on 24th April in comparison to what they were producing a week earlier, which was just around 1,500 to 1,700 metric tons per day. Now, this decision is very important at this specific point of time, because we're seeing that in every second or third hour, multiple hospitals are coming forward and they are putting out these notices that they are only left with a couple of hours of oxygen, some say 2 hours, 4 hours, and then oxygen tankers are rushed to these hospitals. So looking at such condition, this step comes in very handy. It will, as you said, augment the entire process of treatment of COVID-19 patients. When I talk about the national capital, every day in 24 hours, over 20,000 cases are being reported. Last 24 hours, over 300 people have succumbed to this disease. So looking at such numbers, such deadly numbers, this step will come in very handy and will, act as a catalyst in the entire procedure of entire fight that we are fighting against the coronavirus. And looking at the details of this, the steel sector has come forward and said that they are doing their best to supplement medical oxygen supply in the country. They have altogether till now have produced around 3,474 metric ton of liquid medical oxygen just yesterday itself, and that all is being now pushed to different states, and specifically those states are...
Right, Madhurima. Well, thank you very much, Madhurima, for getting us the latest with regards to this particular augmentation done by the Centre with regards to supply of liquid oxygen. Now, shifting focus to another important story that we are focusing on with regards to the growth rate in the COVID cases. Essentially, India has recorded more than 3 lakh cases every day now as the fight for the second wave in the pandemic continues. Now, what's very important to point out here is that the growth rate in India, essentially with the case load, has now doubled in a time period of 10 days between the 5th and the 15th of April.